head is going to carry the face.
Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2 number 3 is commotion. Fuji House of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. Fuji House of commotion, preaching practical solutions. Fuji House of commotion, peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion. The wife number 2, conclusion. Wife number 3 is commotion. Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. A Fuji house of commotion, catering practical solution. A Fuji house of commotion, peaceful peace with confusion. Everybody in commotion, yeah. A Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation.
What differences?
I know something.
Ireti, ẹran la mọ̀ tó ń jẹ ewé o. You want to turn to goat? Okay.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you. Stop all this your nonsense jargon that you are speaking. I read science now. And I know that all the meat that you threw away also gives plenty of protein.
Yes, but at the same time, it contains the saturated fats. We can block the arteries.
Saturated fat. Look, my father still eats meat. All kinds of meat. Cow, goat, sheep, dog, snake, deer, whatever. Antelope, and deer, and everything. The man is still alive. He is 102 years old. You hear me? And he has just taken a new wife. Wife number 18, and he has 107 children. Yes, and I hope to surpass the man.
Chief, 18 wives is rather.
Please. So, look, let Oyibo disease kill Oyibo people. It is them that knows what is killing them in the meat that they eat. You hear me?
Why is it that our own food is dangerous and their own is good? Why?
Look, Ireti, you better beg Kumbi and Peace for forgiveness. Beg them for forgiveness now and make sure that you pay them back for all the money that they used in buying the food stuff that you threw away.
Yes. Don't worry me.
Those things I bought cost me 5,000.
5,000 naira for meat only. 5,000 naira.
Yes. What of the stockfish? Tomato, pepper, onions. You had better enter inside your room and come and pay me my money. Otherwise, I will deal with you. And you know me. You know me. I will deal with you.
I will show you pepper.
Ireti, finishing quick with Peace and come and settlement me my own. Whoa.
But Olowo me, I don't have that kind of money.
You don't have that kind of money? It's alright. Then from now on, all your allowance will go into servicing the gbese that you are owing Kumbi and Peace until you finish paying the debt complete. That is it.
But don't worry me.
Furthermore, you are banned from looking at or reading any catering book, magazine, pamphlet, leaflet, or whatever book contains that book, that catering practical until further notice. You are furthermore banned from cooking any other type of food except Nigerian and African dishes.
You don't want me to develop.
Winners!
That's my profession.
Winners! I say we will win forever. Winners!
Honey,
darling, We have unfinished business now.
No, there's no more unfinished business, no more. The tea has spoiled everything.
She's too small. Darling, I have a surprise for you in my room now.
Are you sure there is any surprise? Look, if it is biscuit and cornflakes, peace, I will deal with you.
Darling, this one is more fantastious. Trust me now. Yes.
In that case, I lift the ban.
Darling, we know. We know. Mama, we know. Hey, wow. Hey, kí ló ṣe fún ọtí fẹ́ máa burú sí i? Olólùkọ́ lọ gbóúnjẹ dànù rí o. Kí ló fẹ́ máa bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ àwọn jẹ́ ọ? Kí ló fẹ́ máa bú fún?
Mami, ẹ má
kí ló bú fún? Kí ló fẹ́ bú fún òjòwò òsì? Ó tàn ẹ́. Mọ nǹkan tó ń bá a ká. Dúró tẹ́lẹ̀. Sí o. Eat, my dear.
Let's do.
Oh.
You mean my children cook this food?
Yes, oh. Mine, Moke and Yejide did.
It's very sweet.
Thank you.
In fact, maybe they should be making my food from now on.
No. What do you mean, Chief? Is it sweeter than the one I do? After all, I taught them. And okra does not grow taller than the person who planted it.
Busy. Don't tell me you are jealous of your children.
Say the truth, Chief. Do you know better than your teacher? Say the truth.
Wait.
Talk true now.
Wait.
Is it sweeter than the one I cook?
Hey, wait, Joe. I was only pulling your legs, eh? But it's sweet, all the same.
But Chief,
Sweet,
come on. I hope you are not pulling my leg about marrying more than 18 wives.
Do you want my father to defeat me? Eh?
Chief, too much of everything is bad, though.
Yes, including meat and food. Yes.
Oh, well. Are you joining Ireti Simon in cholesterol and the heart?
Look,
Here.
even my doctor preaches the same sermon.
But my pastor says that life is in the hands of God. Oh.
Anyway.
Wait. Back to the issue of 18 wives.
Yeah.
Chief, I don't think my heart can take it home. My heart will just knock engine if you marry another wife who can walk on.
Well, if you can do what 18 wives can do.
I will try.
Peaceful peace.
Darling moi.
Peaceful peace.
Darling moi. Thank you.
Come on. What do you think I keep busting in there?
Hey, Mommy Abba says our dinner is with Mommy.
Yes. Now.
Am I the one in the kitchen?
Mommy CP says our food is in your room.
Yeah. Come on, you people, get out of this place before.
How dare you?
Nonsense.
Can I clear the plate?
Let's go. Clear the plate.
Hey! What is
my children.
Darling.
Overseas scholarship, full-time scholarship, part-time scholarship. And here am I killing myself because of school fees. They have to do one scholarship or not out. They have to. You know they. Why are you looking at me like that? Pero, I said, why are you looking at me like that? Why are you frowning in my car? Pero. Don't you dare look at me like that in my car. You hear me now? Nonsense. Nonsense. Guys, I will tell you to get down. Now. It's my car. Nonsense. Why do I have to shout all the time? How else can I get you people to understand what you are saying? How can I get you blockheads to do whatever I want? I'm shouting. Yeah. Shouting. Okay. Shouting. Try talking. I should try talking. What do you think I've been doing since before you were born? What have you been doing since before you were born? Nonsense. I'm shouting. Pero, I beg you, friend. I will drag you. I will get you down from my car now. If I can. I beg you, friend.
What will you do?
Oh, come on. Don't stop. Go on playing. Look, I will not shout. Play. I am not going to shout. Come on. Be happy. Yes, play. Come on, play. Look, you are looking at your new improved father. Yes. No more shouting. That is my media resolution. So play. Come on. That is enough. That is enough. Oh, there is time for play and there is time for play. That's enough. Sorry, I shouted because I wanted to get your attention. Don't worry, I will not stop my media resolution. There's something very important that we have to discuss. We have a very important meeting to discuss.
Meeting?
Yes, meeting. Can't a father have meeting with his children? It's very important. Very, very important. Now, the Fuji family meeting is now in session. Honorable Chief Taju Adebale Fuji presiding.
Good this way. Just carry picture here, taking on my side. Just leave my space for me, I beg.
Now, what is this in my hand?
A paper.
Why not a biro? Why not a biro? Come on, answer my question properly, my friend.
But Bami, what of your mid-year resolution?
Rebel leader! Rebel leader. Mind yourself. If you make me lose my mid-year resolution, no, nothing. Nothing. I will not lose my mid-year resolution.
Chief, you are back.
Oh, please. Why are you disturbing our meeting with your noise?
Yeah. Can't I talk again?
You want to talk? Go inside your room and do the talking now. We are having a very serious meeting here. Do not disturb it.
Serious? Let me sit down and listen to the seriousness of the meeting.
Peace, you cannot sit down. You are not a Fuji Peking.
Bami, we're not Peking, but children.
Yes, Bami. Or kids.
Yes.
Kiddo or children. Peace, you are not invited here. So get out here now. Get out.
This is our sitting room now, Chief.
Peace, I say get out of this place. I'm begging for you. Get out of here now. Go to your room. I'm begging for you.
Chief, look, I am only living for peace to reign. After all, I don't disturb you when you are in your Aso Rock.
Come on, get out.
End of resolution.
Rebel leader, what did you say?
Nothing, Bami. I didn't say anything.
What did you say? Rebel leader. Rebel leader. I'm sorry for you. If you are not careful, I will leave you out of the goodies for Fuji children. As I was saying, this newspaper has a wonderful package that would benefit all Fuji children. Yes. Government is doing very well though. Government has started a quiz competition for senior secondary school students. Yes. And the winner will win a scholarship for university education.
Only? No money reward, Bami.
What do you think I've been paying for your seniors in the school? Sand or stone?
But Bami, with you paying our school fees, we don't need a government scholarship.
I wonder. Let them give it to the fatherless babies now.
We have a father. Chief
Tajudeen Adebowale Fuji Esquire.
Thank you, but you see, this competition is not only for university scholarship alone. The winner will be entitled to a long vacation in America with dollars as pocket money.
This is my chance to visit God's own country.
Me, Bami, I will win and go to America by God's grace.
But to win this thing, you have to study very hard, read your book well, so that you can win. You have to read very well. So from now on, our policy is read. I say read. I say read. You say read. All say read. You say read. Everybody read. You say read.
I promise
I will not disappoint you in anything.
Me too. Me, I will back to
You think America is for a rat like you?
What is Sister Jumi?
Are you in SS2?
No, don't worry. Government is very kind about that one. And government will still start another competition for JSS students. And also primary school students. So that as you are going along, if you start winning, by the time it gets to the SSS, you will become champions. One, two,
hey! I am Fuji champion! He says, green, green, he says, green, green, everybody, green, 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 everybody, green,
my children. Open this gate. What? I beg you for a man. All right, you will see. Let me back and come and go. God.
Number 3 is commotion. Fuji House of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. Fuji House of commotion. Preaching practical solutions. Fuji House of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion. And everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion. The wife number 2, confusion. Wife number 3 is commotion. Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation.